If you're new to investing, you've probably heard people talk about index funds and ETFs. Some say index funds are best for beginners, while others swear by ETFs. The truth is, both are powerful tools for building long-term wealth, but choosing the right one depends on how you invest. In this video, we'll break down index funds versus ETFs in a simple, beginner-friendly way so you can confidently decide which one fits you best. Welcome to Beginner Wealth Lab, where we explain investing and personal finance without confusion or hype. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by investing terms, this video will help you understand the basics clearly. Let's start with index funds. An index fund is a type of investment that tracks a market index like the S&P 500. Instead of trying to beat the market, index funds aim to match the market's performance. When you invest in an index fund, you're investing in hundreds or even thousands of companies at once. This diversification helps reduce risk and makes index funds a favorite choice for long-term investors. Index funds are usually bought directly through investment companies and are designed for people who want a hands-off approach. You invest regularly, hold long-term, and let compound interest do the work. Because they don't require active management, index funds typically have low fees, which is a huge advantage for beginners. Now, let's talk about ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. ETFs are similar to index funds because many of them also track market indexes. The key difference is how they're traded. ETFs are bought and sold on stock exchanges, just like individual stocks. This means you can buy or sell ETFs during market hours at changing prices. ETFs offer more flexibility than index funds. You can trade them anytime the market is open, use limit orders, and even buy just one share if you want. This flexibility makes ETFs popular with investors who like more control. However, that same flexibility can tempt beginners to trade too often, which can hurt long-term results. When it comes to fees, both index funds and ETFs are usually low cost. However, ETFs may involve trading commissions depending on your brokerage, while many index funds allow automatic investing without transaction fees. Over decades, even small fee differences can significantly impact your wealth. Another difference is automation. Index funds are ideal for automatic investing. You can set up recurring contributions and forget about it. ETFs require manual purchases unless your brokerage supports automated ETF investing. For beginners who want simplicity, automation can make a huge difference. Taxes are another consideration. ETFs are generally more tax efficient because of how they're structured. This matters more in taxable accounts. For retirement accounts like IRAs, tax efficiency is less of a concern, making both options equally strong. So, which one is better for beginners? The honest answer is that both can work extremely well. If you want simplicity, automation, and a hands-off approach, index funds are often the best choice. If you want flexibility, lower minimum investments, and more control, ETFs may be a better fit. The biggest mistake beginners make is overthinking this decision. The difference between index funds and ETFs matters far less than actually starting. Long-term success comes from consistency, patience, and staying invested, not from choosing the perfect investment. Regardless of which option you choose, the strategy is the same. Invest regularly, diversify broadly, keep costs low, and think long-term. Both index funds and ETFs allow you to grow wealth steadily without picking individual stocks or timing the market. If you're just starting out, focus less on the labels and more on the habits. Choose one, start investing, and stick with it. Over time, your consistency will matter far more than whether you chose an index fund or an ETF. To summarize, index funds and ETFs are both powerful, beginner-friendly investments. Index funds offer simplicity and automation, while ETFs offer flexibility and control. The best choice is the one that helps you invest consistently for the long term. If this video helped you understand investing better, subscribe to Beginner Wealth Lab for more beginner-friendly content on money, investing, and wealth building. Learn money, build wealth.